All right, hello guys. We have a linear equation on the board, and I want to teach us how to solve linear equation. All right. So, if you have a question like this, for example, you have 5x raised 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 minus 5 raised to the power of x minus 1 equals to 120. So, what you need to do, very simple solution. So we have to use the law of indices. There's a law of indices. Let me just write it out. We have a raised to the power of m plus n equals to a m times a. So if you have a law of indices, if you have a question like this where you have power like this means that we are going to multiply the power, right? This is plus. So if you have question like this, am times an, we are going to add the power together. That's how they got this. So we are breaking it down, right? So if we are breaking it down, we are going to break this down as 5 raised to the power x, right? Times 5 raised to the power 1, all right? So minus 5 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of minus 1. All right. So now that we have this, which is equals to 120. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to look for the LCM. So we factor out this 5x, which is these two, because we have 5x here, 5 raised to the power of x here. So we are going to look for the LCM. If we factor this out, we are going to look for the LCM of this and this, which is 5 minus 1 over 5. All right. So which is equals to 120. So this and this will give us this. All right. This and this give us this. So we look for the LCM of these two. All right. So the LCM of 5 minus 1 over 5 over 1. So the LCM is 5. 5 into 1 is 5 times 1 is 5. 5 divided by this is what? 5. 5 into this 5. 5 times this is 25, right? 25 minus 5 into this is 1. 1 times 1 is give us 1. So we are going to get what? 24 over 5. All right. So this place is going to give us 24 over 5. So our we have x raised to the power of 5 over 24 over 5, which is equals to 120. All right. So the next thing to do is because we are looking for this guy here, 5 raised to the power x, and we have a denominator of 5 here. So what we are going to do is to multiply both sides by 5. So if we multiply both sides by 5, we are going to have 5 raised to the power of x 24 over 5 times 5 equals to 120 times 5. So this 5 will cancel out this 5, all right? So 120 times 5 will give us what? 600. So we have 5x, which is equals to 24, all right? So here will be 5x times 24. Let's just write it straight. 5x times 24 equals to this times this will give us 600. All right. So the next step to do, because we want to make this subject of the formula because it's carrying a coefficient of x. So we divide both sides by 4. So if we divide both sides by 4, by 24, sorry, divide this side by 24. This 24 will cancel this. Why this will cancel out this? We will have what? 25. 24 will go into 600. How many times? 25 times. All right. So now we are left with what? 5x raised to 5 raised to the power x. All right. Equals to what? 25. All right, guys. So what we are going to do, because we have 5 as the base here, we are going to reduce this number to base 5. So what is the number that we can times together to get 5, like base? So the number you can square to get 5. So if we square 5, all right, so we are to reduce this, which is 5x equals to what? 5 raised to the power of 2, right? 5 raised to the power of 2 will give us 25. All right, guys. So now that we have gotten this, which is 5 raised to the power x equals to 5 raised to the power of 2. Now, if you see now, we now have the same base, all right? So we have the same base as 5. So if we equate the same base, our power will now be x, which is equals to 2. So our final answer to this question is x equals to 2. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like. If you have any question on exponential equation that is difficult for you, just drop it in the comment section and we're going to look at it together. All right, thank you.